What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a unboxing. Well, more or less of an unpackaging. Um, really excited for both of these, actually. I don't know which one I want to open first. I think we'll go with this one here, and then we'll get to that, because that one's actually, I'm more excited for that one than I am for this one, so I'm excited for both of them, but they're actually kind of rare. That one's a little bit more rare than this one here. So, let's see. That's what I'm really excited about. Alright. It's actually a lot cleaner than what I thought it was going to be. It is Japanese Honda uniform jacket. First glance, I mean, some of the red is kind of worn out from here, but it is what it is. But it's actually a little dirty, but no biggie. Really cool. It'll go great with my truck, my mini truck. I'm gonna throw it on real quick, see how it fits. It's a 4L, but it actually fits perfect. 4L, I was looking up, Japanese sizes is about an extra large for US sizes, so fits perfect. This here's Velcro, so tighten this up. Very cool. Awesome. This one here, really excited. I waited almost 2-3 weeks to get this from Japan as well. So let's rip this open. Alright. God. It's really well packed, so it's a good thing, I guess. Oh. All right, well. You can kind of sort of see what it is. They're Japanese license plates for my truck, but it's really, 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 really rare to have a matching set of these Japanese plates. They're not replicas; they're real. But the cool thing about these plates are they're the real deal Japanese glow plates. So, I mean, they're going to get cleaned up and all that. Looks like there's some cracking on here, but I'm going to clean them up and put them on the truck. It's a matching set. I mean, that's really cool.